Please like and subscribe for more tutorial for beginners. New videos every day.
Right, so the theme name again is Debutify. If you have trouble finding this link, it would be simply in the description. You can find it in the document that I've attached in the training or in the description. And this is one of the best themes that I recommend to anyone, and it has a really high conversion rate compared to all other Shopify themes, and I strictly recommend it. So all you need to do is click on download now. It would ask your name, and obviously I would put in my name, and it would ask for my email address, so that's what I'm gonna do. So after you put in your email address, it would ask for your store name or store link. So right now I'm just telling you, I'm not setting up a custom domain right now, so that is something you guys can do it by yourself. So here is the domain name, and I'm just going to go ahead and click this create the store. Once you're done with that, simply click on install. Now click on add to theme library, right? Add Debutify, add to theme library. Now what you need to do is you need to click on this select online store. You need to go on themes option. Okay, so you can see that the debut theme was selected by default, so I'm gonna go down and Debutify is over here. I'm going to click over here and simply publish the theme. Now automatically all those things, all these changes would be published, and this was basically how the website was looking previously. There was no content, there was no information, everything is missing, right? So okay, now we are done. So before we go and check out our store,